401k asset classes and diversification. Planning for retirement means making smart decisions with your 401k. A diversified portfolio helps balance risk and reward, protect against market ups and downs, and grow your savings over time. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified look at the key asset classes you can use to build a strong retirement portfolio. 1. Stocks, growth versus stability. Stocks are essential for long-term growth, but choosing the right type is key. Growth stocks offer high return potential but come with more risk. Dividend and blue-chip stocks offer steady income and stability. Small cap versus large cap. Small companies grow faster but are riskier. Large companies are more stable and reliable. A smart mix of growth and stable stocks helps manage risk while boosting returns. 2. Bonds, income and stability. Bonds provide steady income and reduce overall portfolio risk. Government bonds like U.S. Treasuries are low risk but offer modest returns. Corporate bonds offer better returns but may be riskier depending on the issuer. Municipal bonds can offer tax-free income for certain investors. Bonds act as a cushion when stock markets fall. 3. Mutual funds versus ETFs. Both offer diversification, but with differences. Mutual funds are professionally managed and good for hands-off investing. ETFs are low-cost, tax-efficient, and trade like stocks. Pick based on cost, management style, and trading preferences. 4. Real estate and alternatives. Adding alternative assets increases diversification. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning property. Private equity and hedge funds offer high return potential but come with more risk and less liquidity. Cryptocurrency is now available in some plans but is highly volatile. These assets can help protect your portfolio from inflation and market swings. 5. Gold IRA, a safe haven option. Gold helps hedge against inflation and market downturns. Physical gold, bars or coins, can be held in a self-directed gold IRA. Gold ETFs and mining stocks offer exposure without storing physical metal. Gold adds long-term stability and value protection. A diversified 401k blends stocks, bonds, mutual funds or ETFs, and alternative assets like real estate and gold. This balanced approach helps you grow wealth while protecting it, ensuring a more secure retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.